Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if Skype seems to be closing itself automatically on your Windows computer. So hopefully this tutorial should be able to resolve the problem for you guys, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time. Type in background apps. And then you want to select under best match, choose which apps can run in the background, left click on that one time. And now you want to wait for the list to come up on the right side here, and you want to go and locate Skype from the list. If it's currently in the on position, you want to toggle it off, so just left click inside the oval one time to turn it off. I'd also suggest closing out of here. Go back to start menu, type in apps. Best match should say apps and features. Left click on that one time. And again, you want to wait a moment for this menu to load all of the selections, so just be patient. And you want to scroll down again to get to Skype on the right side. Left click on that one time, and then left click on advanced options. You want to scroll down until you get to the reset section. So it says if this app isn't working right, reset it. This app will be reinstalled and revert to its default settings. Your documents will not be affected. Left click on reset. You get a final dialog pop up here saying this will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and sign-in details. Left click on reset, and hopefully that should resolve the issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial, and once you have this check mark, you're good to go. So thanks for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and again, restart your computer, and I hope to catch you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.